Don't worry, guys. I'm going to upload the notes. I'll also send them on the group. I'm not sure if I did upload last time, but if you are taking the notes down, you can also request me to give you this question paper. Okay, let's go back to the question, which is 1.2.2. They want us to find what? The size of theta. So guys, remember the size of theta is what? This is your angle of inclination. So it's the angle of inclination, and we need to round off our answer to 1 decimal place. So guys, the angle of inclination, we just have to use the gradient of BC or the gradient of CD, which is the same gradient. So to answer 1.1.2, I'm going to say 1.1, what is this? This is 1.2.2. So on 1.2, the angle of inclination is calculated by the tan of theta is equal to the gradient of that line. I can say the gradient of BC, or we can say CD, it's fine. Therefore, the tan of theta, this will be equal to -5. Right, so now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to find my reference angle, right? Or can we call this thing RA? Can someone please tell us what is our reference angle? Anyone? Please do this fast on your calculator. Tell us what is your reference angle. Anyone? Let me see if you guys are prepared for your paper too. Tell me what is the reference angle.
-78.69.
You got your answer as?
-78.69.
Okay, Toriso?
I did. Yes, sir.
I'm listening.
I did add tan, meaning I transposed the tan. I took it to the other side, so I was like add tan of -5. So it's tan to the power -1, then in bracket -5,
Okay.
which gives me -78.69. Then we're gonna add 180.
Okay, Toriso, that's very correct. You see now, I wanted to say something, but when you say we're going to add 180, then I'm very happy with when you say we're going to add 180. Right, but now let me give you guys the best way to do this. Thank you very much, Toriso, for your answer. Your answer is very correct. But now, guys, your reference angle, you should do it like this. The tan inverse of 5, do not include the negative. If your gradient is negative, find your reference angle. Therefore, once you have your reference angle, so Toriso said the reference angle is -78.7. But since I'm not including the negative, I'll get positive 78.7 degrees. That's my reference angle. Now I need to solve for theta. Theta will be equal to what? 180 minus your reference angle. So if the gradient is negative, you need to do what? You need to find theta as 180, you minus your reference angle. This will be 180 minus 78.7 degrees. So we can also do it like Toriso and say that the reference angle is -78. Therefore, theta will be 78 plus 180. Right, so if you say 180 minus your reference angle, it should give you an answer of 101.3. Are you all happy with this answer?
Yes, sir.
Any question on this one?
No, sir.
Okay, thanks. I think everyone is with me on this. Okay, let's move to the next